Hello everybody, I'm Yolanda, aka a creative mommy of two, and today we have some company. This here is Luna. So if you hear something purring or meowing, it's this little one. If you saw my whip and chat with my diamond paintings, you saw a picture of her. I am going to move you for a bit and then I am going to show you what we're going to do today. Probably cut out the moving part, but hey. As you see, today we are working on the latch hook kit. I thought I will do a little progress on this one because it feels like it's taking me forever. So I thought you might want to see it again. So here we are. As you see, I have all my different, yarns, I would like to call them, for the strip I am doing now. This piece here is all what is laying here, because I found if I do this like start half and do one side and do afterwards the other side, it feels for me that it works better, because with this pattern otherwise I keep losing where I am and it's terrible. And because the pattern isn't completely right, it otherwise gives me quite the pain in the behind. So yeah. Well, it doesn't give me pain in the behind, but it is a pain in the behind. That is how I wanted to say it. It was like something in that sentence didn't make sense. How did I say it? Yeah, no. It hasn't been that great of a day today, so yeah. I'm sorry if I don't make any sense today. Little ones both didn't want to sleep today. My son just slept, I think, maybe hour and a half over the whole day. And since he is just 7 months old, that's way too little. So yeah, he became fussy, and my daughter, who's 2.5, also didn't want to sleep, and she became all bouncy, so they drained me today. But they're in bed now, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it will go smoothly from now on. And tomorrow is another day, and with a little bit of luck, it will all go well again. But yeah, if you have kids, you probably know the struggle. But yeah, most of the times they behave, but when they don't, they don't. Yeah. And I'm almost at the end here. So yeah, as I was saying, this one is quite a pain in the behind because, well, in my pattern and the size of the fabric doesn't completely align. So that's why I work from the middle to the side, so that I can easier say like, okay, I need some extra here or one less, instead of when I start completely at the edge, it could be that it completely doesn't align. So that wouldn't be quite as easy. I first did the tops and then worked down. I think I was here the last time I showed it. And when I got here to the points where I needed to connect them, I needed just ways to figure out how I make them a little bit even and how I did align it all in the middle, so my middle wasn't like here. Well, it's not that extreme, luckily. But yeah, it's just annoying. I love working on it. It has nice colors, but yeah, the fact that I need to look up every time, like, Where am I? How many do I need at the end? Can I finish it with one color, or do I need to get less of them? Do I need to figure out which color I do extra? And I just hate that. So yeah, I'm glad when it's done. I'm now plowing along in the hopes that I get it soon, like hopefully before the weekend. So the next video of something not diamond painting related, and will hopefully be or this time lapse, or maybe that I find something else that I will do first. And now I have one, and I have to look up what I should do. One of those here. So I have this row now completed. Lucky when I just do one row, well, half of a row at a time, and put all my threads down, it goes a lot quicker. Instead of like, okay, where am I? Next. Where am I? Next. That would if I did that, I would still be here. So I'm now going to check where I am. This row, here's my middle, W, V, W. And I start here so I have the space to put them all down. W, V, W, U, U, W, U, U, W. You probably can't see, but here behind, well, behind, underneath, just tilt you for a bit. No, I'm going to move you. Oops, here we are. Here are all my yarns, so that I can find them a little easier. Let's do this. VVU. Going to put them down first and then ramble on. Otherwise, I don't know where I am. So give me just a second. Okay, that's this row. Here's my middle. So yeah, it's easier for me just to get a pencil and write everything off that I did. Did I do this for this row? Yeah. So I can just like keep track of where I am. I like do it, put it all down in one row and just then, well, put everything in. So that makes it a lot easier to work on. So I don't have to keep checking on my pattern where I am, because, well, I have just a simple regular pencil. I don't know the proper word, but you know the thing I mean. The thing that you can erase. And yeah, it isn't showing up good enough, but I don't want to use like a black marker or anything, so it's a little bit harder for me to find where I am. So it's easier if I just do a complete row, then I know where I am, as long as I find which row I am on. So yeah, as long as I get that done, I'm fine. So yeah. As I said before, I think the next video in about 2 weeks will probably be the review of this painting. Well, painting. It's not a painting. Talking hard. Yeah, it's that kind of day. Let's try that again. I hope the next video in 2 weeks' time will be the review of this kit. But it might be that I do something else first, but it all depends on what I find I can do. Okay. There's a knot in this one, so I have to pick up another one. Because, well, yeah, we enter a lockdown tonight. We're in the Netherlands here, and they now decided today that we are going in a lockdown because, well, yeah, pandemic. So yeah, I wanted to do something else, but I don't know if I can get the resources for that now. There is another video that I am planning to do, but I don't know when I get around to it. It's making a rain sound maker. Maybe I can do that this weekend or next week or something. In case that works out, I probably do that then. But I just have to, well, see what I can do. With, yeah, especially not being able to go out much. Maybe like to the playground, a little downhill from us. Or literally like almost on top of a hill. I can't call it a mountain, so it's a hill. A little bit downhill, we have playground for kids. Maybe we can go there, but it all depends on how busy it is. Because it is only a small thing, so yeah. Not great if there are already 20 kids playing. So yeah, she can be quite bouncy. So, and if that's the case, we need to find things to drain her energy inside or outside. So in those times, I obviously cannot craft. Well, basically I can't craft either way when she's awake. But most of the times when she is so bouncy, she doesn't want to sleep in the afternoon. And she keeps her brother awake. So I can't have any time for me. Because he starts screaming his little head off and he can scream bloody murder. So yeah. But we'll just figure something out. And hopefully this all ends soon. But we'll see. So at least you now have seen me do this a little bit more. Seen how far I got along on this. And as you see, there's not that much left. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be soon that I finish this. So then you can see this a lot quicker. And then I start on the other kit. And I am planning to do some myself, but also that depends on if I can get my materials. I don't live in like a really big town, so it was either way a struggle to get it, but now it is completely a struggle. Because the few shops I could go to, well, I can't now. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing the little bit I did. So you have a little update on how things are moving along with this one, in case you just wanted to see this. And I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, everybody. And let's see each other the next time. Bye bye.